Hello, I'm Kevin from CryptoMY. In today's episode, let's talk about Cardano price prediction today, and let's stay tuned. To start this off, I just want to thank you guys for continuous supporting my channel, which is the CryptoMY. As a token of appreciation, CryptoMY and Huobi Global have decided to come up with an event that actually benefits all my fans. Very simple. What you need to do is you just need to share the video, you just need to like the video, remember to subscribe my channel, and remember to comment down below at this video. What you're gonna do is you just comment I love Huobi Global, and that's it. So once you have done these 4 things, what you need to do is you just go into the description and there will be a Google form. So you just need to fill up the Google form. There is an instruction step by step how you want to fill up Google form. It's very simple, very straightforward. So once you have filled up, then you just click send as or submit, then it will be good to go. So the benefit is very interesting, whereby we will help to reduce 50 investors transactions fees. What does it mean is, if you are in Huobi Global for quite some time, they will have a standard fees of 0.2% for each of the transactions that you made in Huobi Global. So if you are entitled, or let's say if you are chosen one of the 50 members, what you're gonna get is you will get a permanent reduced fees to 0.075. Yes, you didn't hear it wrongly, it's 0.075%. So it's a very generous benefits to all the fans, all of my fans, and thank you for continuing to support this channel, and I hope this channel can bring a lot of value to you guys. Okay, so let's start it off by Cardano price prediction. Okay, let's go on with Cardano. Looking at Cardano, it seems like it's moving towards a downtrend. Looking at the overall section right now, you can see that this is Cardano doing a retracement, a huge retracement all the way back from this top red zone all the way down to this bottom red zone. So this is a Fibonacci level, and you can see that the RSI seems to be in the bearish market right now. So it was struggling around this area, which is $2.50 all the way to $2.60. And you ask me whether it's a good thing or not. I would say this is a good thing. Why? Because as I stated in my previous video, I just want the RSI to cool down a little bit, not to go so overboard, because it was around right this area. So I was hoping that this RSI could go lower a bit, but eventually it goes so much lower than what I expected. But not to worry, because this is the best time, and this is the area where if the RSI go back towards the 50 level, showing that this is a very bullish move, bullish direction towards upwards, then you could see that the Cardano would have a very strong pullback from here all the way up here, and then you would see that it will have the momentum, it will have the gap here to push the price even higher. As I stated before, the Cardano smart contract is going to be releasing soon at the early of September, which is another 2 more weeks later. And I'm very excited to see what is the outcome once the ADA smart contract is released. I would be not surprised if ADA managed to just close above $4 or $5. And if let's say if it close above $5, example, I would say many buyers or many investors outside will be FOMOing, entering the market and pushing the price even higher and higher towards $10. Because once it reaches $5, as a psychology perspective, people will start to panic. Those people who haven't entered or who haven't invested in ADA, they were like, oh shit, I scared I missed the boat. At $5. So we will see that many people from that onwards will start to pump in more money and buy more ADA as much as possible before it take off. I would say that $5 will be the psychology level. If let's say it's already close above $5, then you could see that the $5 to $10 gap would be a very fast time for it to achieve. There is something to take note that yes, even though right now Cardano is still at a bearish trend right now, we cannot deny that because of the RSI is showing that it is a downtrend, and ADA is right now at the lowest support area that we can find at the red zone. So looking at Bitcoin versus USD chart, you can see that it's a very similar move, whereby Bitcoin also falls just right below this support area. So this support area was created a few weeks ago. Right now it falls right back to this area. Okay, let's say if the RSI eventually go up back to 50, and then this candlestick has shown something green, which is bullish candlestick, then most likely you could see a minor pullback all the way up. So it could look something like that, whereby it will have a strong green candlestick and then it will start to float until it goes all the way up here. By the time Bitcoin go all the way up here, I could say that the ADA could go easily about $2.90 all the way to $3, or maybe closing above $3 if possible. I believe that most of the cryptocurrencies right now are quite bearish, except for one token, which is COTI. Okay, COTI is created from the ADA smart chain, Cardano smart chain. If you guys haven't heard about that, you can actually check it out by yourself. And you can see this is one of the very strong bullish sign, closing above almost 50 cents. From 25 cents all the way up to 50 cents. It's like 100% gain in 4 hours. Let's say, I think it's yesterday or the past 2 days, it just closed all the way up, shooting above like 100% gain within 4 hours. So very excited to see all this ADA smart chain token, all these tokens that are created from Cardano smart chain. And you can see that so much bullish right now on all these projects. So let's say if you really want to check it out, feel free to check it out on COTI. I think COTI is a very good project on the ADA smart contract. So yep, by looking at the overall, seems like it's not very bearish. It's just bearish, just closing below this support line. So nothing to worry. I could say that this is a very good move for the RSI to cool down before the smart contract is released. So I believe once the smart contract is released, hopefully you could see that there will be more and more green candlestick just closing above $3, $4 and $5, and that is where the investors will start to kick in, FOMOing kick in, and you could see $5 going up to $10 would be very easy and very straightforward. So I would say that Cardano to the moon, yes, definitely to the moon. Just matter of time whether or not it's gonna go at this year or maybe the next coming years. Okay, so I think that's all for today's episode. If you like my episode today, remember to click like and share and subscribe. And I'm gonna see you guys soon, and goodbye.